Hi everyone. In this video I will show you how you can use LDAP with your Comet server. I will use Active Directory as the external authentication source in this example. Here, we need to specify the LDAP address, port, and protocol security. The default port for plain and start TLS is 389. The default port for secure LDAP is 636. There are several possible ways to verify account credentials against your LDAP server. In the Comet server configuration, these macro substitutions are supported to refer to the supplied logon credentials. So I will simply use the user macro followed by the domain of the LDAP server. For the password, I will use the password macro. If we save these settings, we will be able to start logging into the Comet server as an admin with this domain's Active Directory accounts. This approach performs no validation of the user's groups, nor if the credentials are for a user account or some other type of LDAP object. In other words, there is no distinction between authenticating the account and authorizing it for use. Now, if I don't want to allow every Active Directory account admin access, I can make it so only accounts with a specific group are allowed access. You can find these examples written in our LDAP documentation. For the LDAP search domain name field, put in the domain of the LDAP server. For the LDAP search filter field, you will need to put in the group name, followed by the domain. That's it. Now, let's save. As you can see here, these are my current admin accounts. When I log into the server with one of my accounts from Active Directory, it will create a Comet admin account and you can modify it further from here. Now, I am going to log into this server with an account from Active Directory. We have successfully logged in. If we go back to the setup wizard, we should see the admin account there. I hope this video has been informative. Please see our documentation for the macros and more information about LDAP. Thank you.